Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm going to be giving a tour of the Gridata Beta. Gridata is a discovery and remediation tool for your files. It helps by making personal and sensitive information secure, without altering your file's formatting and content structure. So, if you have a PowerPoint presentation or an Excel spreadsheet containing pieces of personal information, some items will need to be removed so they cannot be used to identify an individual. Here we have three common file types used in the workplace: a CSV file, a PowerPoint file, and an Excel file. Each contain personal information that may need to be removed before transmission. Inside the CSV are the personal details for a fictitious workforce. We have listed their first and last name, home address, job title, salary, office location and contact details. The PowerPoint presentation contains information similar to the CSV, only displayed using some of the elements available in PowerPoint. So, let's upload these files. I am already signed into Gridata and I'll just drag the files into the dashboard. All data types in your files, such as names and addresses, are presented to you as options for removal. Gridata identifies many data types spanning all countries, data regulations and standards. For example, all items of personally identifiable information, as defined in the GDPR legislations for Europe and the United Kingdom. Once you have toggled the sliders for the data types you wish to be removed, your updated files can be downloaded by pressing the green button for each file. Your files can now be located in the Downloads folder on your computer. Now we'll take a look inside, at the changes made by Gridata. We required only the email addresses to remain present in the PowerPoint presentation, but wanted the personal information of the authors to be secured. You can see the presentation's format has remained, but the sensitive data has been removed. And this is the same for the Excel and CSV files, although we selected for email addresses to be removed also. The formatting of the contents for both files has remained, but the selected data types have successfully been removed. A couple of things to note about your data privacy. Gridata does not collect or store your files or your data. Only when it is being processed will it be temporarily stored on our servers. As soon as your session changes, either by refreshing the website or logging out, all of your files and identified data will be removed. In fact, during the short moment your files are being analyzed on our servers, they are encrypted and decrypted during the analysis process. This effectively means that even if we tried, we can't see inside your files or data. If for some reason your session changes and your files have been removed, you can upload the same files without affecting your monthly quota. We're launching our beta with the demonstration you've just seen as the main feature. Beyond the beta, we will be introducing features aimed at data protection officers, where individual data types can be encrypted and decrypted. This has been a tour of the Gridata Beta, coming spring 2022. Thanks for watching.